Hey everyone, I made it into a different Homegoods. So in this location, plenty of the Easter gingerbread, 35. Look at this large one. Looks like it's the back. Let me come around here. Okay. Wish we could see the front. I think they put it in backwards. They have a tiny one. Of course, candy and sprinkles. Oh, that one has like a little lamb on it. Okay, that's cute. Oh, look at that guy. The jelly bean roof. Oh, this is cute too. So much glitter though. Gummies. I love that right here. The beaded basket. And look at that egg. It's a few more. This one's 25. His little top hat. Oh my gosh. For $13. And the large one with carrots, which I think we might have seen. Him with the bow tie and the butterfly. This one is by Martha. You get 3. Oh, I like that. It looks like a sweater egg. I like that. I like the sweater egg. He's cool too. And on Tuesday morning, they have one with a velvet jacket. So nice. You have to watch that video. I need to go back to Tuesday morning. Trees. Oh gosh. $29.99. Oh, these are nice. They're like glass eggs. They're really thin. They're gonna be 10. Oh, I've never seen those. Okay, this one's 20. What is that? Look at that. And I never seen this bunny. It's like reminds me of that elf one, you know? But they have it in bunny form. What do you guys think of that? Look at her outfit. Oh, that's kind of cool. And maybe creepy at the same time. No idea on that price. Actually, it's by Cynthia. Let me find out. The price is hidden in here for $25.
It looks like the witch patterns just
Yeah. Oh, look at him. In his rocking chair. It's like looks like nautical, but it's not. The vintage radio and more baskets. Okay, this is really cute. Even to put children books in, like in a playroom. I love these baskets in here. Plushies. What is this one? Oh, it's a book set. Okay. The Easter egg hunt. That's 10. Bunny garland. We have the felt garland we always see here. This one comes with the egg. More bunnies. Ooh, fancy decor. 13. Oh, let me bring out this purple one. Oh, they're fancy. They also have a blue one in the back. That one kind of looks like needle pointing, maybe. And grass. What is that? It's a candle. Look at this large man right here. He is $59.99. That's a little bouquet for $13. $29.99. Let me bring this guy. He's already fallen over. He is 25. He's so furry. Moss bunnies are in there in the back. Oh, she's 20. They're cute. They walk around. Oh, look at them. Those are cute too. Here, put this bunny back. You kind of just found him randomly. Oh, there's the girl version. Okay. Okay. And we have wreath. Tons of floral spring. This one has glitter on it. Tons of candy. Got the Peeps, the gummies. I'm actually craving gummies. Everywhere I go, I see gummies. I need to go to a store. These are welcome signs. They're gonna light up. Let me go to the end cap right here. Oh, this is a cute one. Okay, we have eggs. Ooh, look at that. Wizard of Oz cookie jar. I think that might have been it for spring. $10. I'm trying to look in their kitchen department. Sugar and tea. I know we've seen this one. Cinderella is still here. That's funny. The chameleon. Or is that a chameleon? What are these called? With the tongue that comes out?
Which one? Oh, those are chameleons.
Okay, I don't know.
Yeah, those are chameleons. Were you thinking of iguanas? But yeah, that's chameleon.
Yeah, I was thinking of iguanas probably. Oh, is that it for spring? See, these are $30 and you get 20 here. 20. And everything here is plastic. So like melamine, outdoor. Tons of dishware, outdoor dining, a picnic, so much. Like, look at that utensil caddy for 13. They have the fish, starfish, little appetizer plate, flamingo, of course, in here. More fish at the bottom. I've never seen that one. Wow, they're filled in. They have more like outdoor dining than like spring decor. What is this one? $7? It's $8 actually. You get 4. It comes in a set. I like this yellow with the gold rim. These are $2.99. They're plastic. 13. Okay, now we've seen this bunny plate in a different location. Here's like a 2-tiered one, little wooden one. He's cute too, it's adorable. $10, and here is a Stitch one, $5.99. I've never seen this one, and they have a Harry Potter like ramen and noodle bowl. Okay, that's really cute, you know. $8.99. My husband and son been doing nothing but playing that new Harry Potter game. Those are $8. Oh, it's kind of cute. Carrot patch down here. Ah, why is it so dark? There we go. They have the green vintage. That's cute. Oh, there's a little cat bowl in the back. There's a fatty on the inside. And candy. We have tons of cotton candy. Look at the chocolate. Oh gosh, so much candy and chocolate. Oh, the gummy carrot. Like Sour Patch popcorn. What is that? The chocolate hen. 13. I've never seen that one.
It'd be kind of cool for a full day instead of just having it on the side.
Okay, here we go. Found some Easter. So $5.
You know, Cadbury should do a big chocolate rabbit full of Cadbury eggs.
Oh, that would be cool. Look at the duck. Oh my gosh. Look at that crystal glass egg. What would you put in there? Would you use it as a punch bowl? Or you fill it up with like confetti? Would you use it for anything? That is really nice. Really nice. Make sure I'm not in front of anybody.
Make a tripod, just not like Rachel.
That is so lovely. Drink, I like that lemonade one. And then containers are 10 in the back. There's a little wine stopper by Tommy Bahama. Just gonna try to scan when there's no people. Is that an electric one? I have one. I found one underneath my cabinet. I was like, I didn't know I had that. I guess it was gifted a long time ago from my mother-in-law. But I have one, so I don't have to worry about it. I haven't made orange juice yet, just because like you need tons. If your kids drink a lot of orange juice, your money's just like gone. But my neighbor has the orange tree, and they said I could come by anytime to get oranges. Don't you love these bowls? The salad bowl, like the wooden ones. Tell me that it's not cute. 17, right? That's a cute mushroom cookie jar. Yeah.
Riley, can I please have you register for Riley? Register for, please. Thank you.
Tiger.
Look at all the orange.
Got lizards, man.
Yeah. Okay, look at those chubsters. That's so cute. We have the mermaid on top.
Register, Chloe and Rachel to register, please. Thank you.
How much is this one? I don't think I've seen this one. I know we've seen everything else. My House and Garden. I don't want to lift that. Then we have all your blues over here. Then that's the front. Looks like some St. Patrick's Day. This stuff is kind of cool too, like the stakes. They're solar. Sometimes they have like really nice glass orbs. Like right here. They're just so funny. And then St. Patrick's stuff. Oh, look at that guy. He's like a stair rail. That's what it looks like. That's so funny. I did spot some hand towels with a chick, bunnies. Those are kind of cute. 13. What are these, like bath bombs? Okay, yeah. She's cute too down here. Pillows, tons and tons of pillows. Okay, some throws, more pillows. There's like rows and rows of pillows in here. Some of these are 17. I don't know if we've seen this one. I know we've been finding like a lot of Easter pillows, decorated pillows. Look at the doggies. How funny. Oh, these are like for children down here. You know what? I think they took away their kid department. I don't see it. Because remember Homegoods used to have a kid department?
Usually around Christmas now.
No, it's normally in front of us.
I know, but I mean, I think they only bring it around Christmas
No,
now.
they have it all year. Yeah, they took it away. No, why? It's like a nice sorbet color. Oh, that was kind of cute. Okay, look at this butterfly platter in the back. That's cute, right? Wow, I've never seen Homegoods really stock up on outdoor dining. They have like almost every single row. But look, Picnic vibes cover. That's cute for $8. It kind of looks like a bassinet. A bassinet for your food. This one is by Shabby Chic, and they have them together for $25. Be on the lookout, Burlington. They separate them. You know, I love these. Okay, a little bit more home decor. Some of these are $54. I think the lowest in here might be $35. Kind of like this one right here.
Yeah.
Oh, they're cool.
It is really nice. It looks like it was at the bottom of the lake, though.
Yeah.
Like the colors.
Oh, it's felt. It's like a felt one. That is $500. It is tinted. I was like, it looks a little dark. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this location. Please stay safe. Please stay safe. It is, well, we had a lot of stuff going on here in town, but it is crowded. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. These are 500, and they do swivel. Oh gosh, there's more Easter over here. I didn't know they had a whole area of Easter over here. That is crazy. It's all the way like in the back by the lighting. I feel like this is an odd place for it because no one really comes down here unless they're looking for lighting. Bunnies, carrots. Okay, she has like speckled eggs. She's 8. Oh, they have the sugar cookie one. If you can't find it in Marshalls or TJ Maxx, you could find it here. Who would think to look back here, right?
Okay. You know, sometimes I hate it whenever they stick it in the register line.
TJ Maxx.
The line's like so packed and nobody's
Yes.
gonna go in there. Like they'll have all this like,
in the front.
inside with the register.
I know, I
Yeah.
hate it because I can't go in there and film. $25.
And
Look at
Homegoods,
that.
Desert Ridge does that too.
That's cute. It's kind of scary, right? Look at his ears. Looks like a little nutcracker one. This one is by Cupcake and Cashmere for $8. Okay.